Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we putting together is a peanut soul food seafood boil. We have our crawfish. Everything is still alive. We let it soak in some water and ice, so they're in shock right now. We have a whole lobster right here. Look at that big boy right there. That boy is big. Have some shrimps over here. So we gotta just go ahead and clean everything up. We have our neck bones, black-eyed peas, you know, that crawfish boil bag, bell peppers, red onion, garlic. We have our peanuts right here. So we're about to make it happen. Right here in this Good Kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And don't forget, hit that like button. This bitch to come out fire. Watch and see. Okay, so here we go right here. I let my beans soak. Picked out the rocks. You know, you just go through them. Go through your beans. Make sure you go through whatever beans you use, especially if they dry beans. So we cleaned up everything. My peanuts, I let them soak real good. Rinsed them about 20 times. We have our bell peppers and onions, garlic chopped up, neck bones all cleaned up. And shout out to Peoples who brought it to my attention. Motivated 2010. Boom, right there. Check her out. Motivated to soar. And that's how we looking. Look at them, he ready to fight. Look at him ready to fight. So we're gonna go ahead and throw them on some more ice. Let them fall asleep for a while. And we'll get these neck bones on first. And you know, don't take too long for your black-eyed peas to cook. So we'll do the neck bone first. Just stay tuned. I'm about to make it happen. And shout out to family for bringing this to my attention. And we also have the, you know, the lobster. Yeah. The whole lobster cleaned up. You know, we cleaned up everything. All right, so here we go right here. Go ahead and put our neck bones in this. I have a little bit of vegetable oil. Like 3-4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So you want to brown your neck bones. You know, give them a nice little brown color. They're going to stick a little bit, but that's okay. Just want to give them a nice little color. Get up your neck bones. Come out nice and tender. I make sure my recipes be, you know, easy, plain easy, you know, nothing hard. But I say anybody can take it in kitchen, anybody. It just takes a little bit of time to taste it. That's all it takes. A little time to taste it. Like so. It's got enough of it. You know what I mean? I was going to cook all this in a pressure cooker. But not everybody has a pressure cooker. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just do this on the stove. And one day in due time, I'll do the neck bones in the pressure cooker. So now we're going to go ahead and season them up. And with the apple. have that bell pepper. Have our 1 onion. And have our garlic. Now really don't need that much seasoning. That's our lemons in there. So this is 2 lemons. And make sure you rinse your lemons real good. That's our garlic in there. Good. Now the black-eyed peas, you're not adding none of that just yet. You're gonna let this go ahead and boil, cook for 1.5 to 2 hours, and then we'll add the black-eyed peas, and the rest will come last. Add our water. We'll let it do its thing. Put the top on there, let it do its thing. Okay, so here we go right here, 2.5 hours. The meat, most of the meat fell off the bone. I added some more water to it. I have my oven preheated on 400. So you can throw this bad boy in the oven for about another hour to 45 minutes. I added more water. But the neck bone's looking good. But I want it extra tender, so that's why I throw them in the oven. Our beans been soaking for 4 hours. Some people let them soak overnight. I usually let them soak overnight, but this just a, you know what I mean, a side egg. I want to bring this recipe to life. Our black-eyed peas. And it's going in the oven with the top on 400. Now remember, everybody's oven is different. Okay, so here we go right here. Look at these neck bones. When I say these boys is tender, look. See that? Coming apart. Yeah. Look at that. Neck bones extra tender. The beans is done. So what you want to do, you want to just smash up the beans. Not all of them, but you want to smash up some of them. So this could get kind of thick for you. Just give them a nice little smash. You can always take them out and just put them in a little bowl and just smash them that way. And then put them back in there. I'd rather just keep them in a pot and then just smash them. Look at that. When I say this is gonna be fire, this is gonna be fire. Look, boom. All right. So it's time. Turn the fire back on. I just took them out the oven. Just took them out the oven. So now we'll go add a little seasoning. Some of that slap your joint. Not much. Just a little bit. Some of that whiskey apple. Look at these bad boys. Look. Yeah, they're waking up now. They've been sleeping on ice. If you ever want to keep your crawfish alive overnight, Just put some ice in there. You don't have to add no water because that ice gonna melt. Just put some ice in there, they'll go to sleep and they won't die. Wow. Put the claws in there. Put that head in there. Yep. And now we're gonna add our crawfish. Yeah. So if we get these crawfish in there, we'll put the top on there and let them cook. We're gonna add the shrimps at the last minute because you know it don't take long for the shrimp to cook. Okay, so I want to give a shout out to my boy Zoe. He was live yesterday and he's talking about a 7-day fast, just drinking, just doing a juicer. And I tell him I go ahead and rock with him. Shout out to Queen. I told both of them I'll make it happen with them. So me and Zoe are starting Monday. You know, tomorrow's Father's Day, today's Saturday. Sunday is Father's Day, so you know, I gotta eat good. So Monday, me and Zoe supposed to start. So we have our beet right here, cucumbers, and our celery. That's all I'm using. I'm not using no apples, no oranges, no watermelon, pineapple, nothing. I'm just using straight beet, celery, and cucumbers. So this is my start right here. We supposed to do it for a whole week, and hopefully I can last that week. But you know, I love to cook in the kitchen. So I'm gonna be torturing myself because I'm still gonna be filming little videos. But if I don't make it, I'm gonna keep it real and I'm gonna tell the truth. Willpower, you hear me? But this how we looking right here. So I'm ready Monday. My juicer ready. I'm gonna make it happen. Shout out to y'all too. Okay, so here we go. I threw my shrimp back in the freezer for a little while. Boom. There we go. Put some shrimps in there. Make some room. Man, that's what I'm talking about. It's gonna be fire, great. I'm gonna set the top back on there, let it do its thing, and then we're gonna open it up and look at it. And then we're gonna close that video, get it on a nice plate. Okay, this is how I make my peanut soul food seafood boil. When I say it smells so good, it smells fire. Now remember, you can add whatever you want to it, whatever you want. Always put your own little twist. My video is for everyone. I want to get any everybody out there good advice, cooking in the kitchen, on how I cook in the kitchen. You can take it, put your own little twist to it, make it happen. I'm about to get the good food on a nice bowl. Appreciate y'all, appreciate everybody that's supporting me, watching these videos, watching my videos, letting me play all the way through. The likes, don't forget, hit that like button. Let's get it. Okay, so here we go right here. When I say this is fire for real. Don't sleep on this recipe, y'all. Look at that right there. Man. Black eyed peas. We have our cornbread right here. Kind of form. But when you bust it open, it's fire. We have our peanut, soul food, seafood boil. And look at all that meat and our claw. It's a lot of meat right there. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. Happy Father's Day to all the good fathers out there. Enjoy y'all day.
Chef hit dice. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma in my apron, I'm a chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and what you asking, it's a chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you